Hey Plant Pals, it's Mike the Chaotic Gardener, and today is going to be a taste test of my tomatoes I got from that seed kit from that company. I've got yellow cherry tomatoes and red cherry tomatoes, and you can see that a bunch of my yellow cherry tomatoes are turning ripe, and you can see in the background there, some of my red cherries are turning ripe. So I'm going to pluck them, and I'm going to taste them and see how they are. I will be right back. Alright, so these are the yellow cherry tomatoes, and they're a really decent size. They're definitely bigger than a quarter. And I've got different stages of ripeness. And what I tell people is taste them at the different stages, because some might be acidic, more sugary. You might be a person who likes them at this stage, but thinks they're too sugary sweet at this stage, or you might be a person who likes them at the sugary sweet stage and not, so give them a try and see which ones you like best. So I also recommend that you have salt, because you never know if you're gonna like it with, some tomatoes are awesome with salt, some are not as good. So we'll see. So I'm gonna try this one. I think this is one of the riper ones, so I'm gonna cut it in half. Show you the inside of the tomato. Looks like it's got a decent amount of seeds in there, especially on that side. We'll see. But I'm gonna cut this one in half again. I'll give my wife a piece, and I'll taste a piece, and we'll see. Give that to her. This one to me. This is without the salt. Pretty good. Kind of boring. This tastes like tomato.
Yeah.
I mean, it's good.
Average tomato.
Yeah, it's not like mind-blowing. So I'm gonna put the salt. So I've got a separate plate for the salt, because I don't want any salt to go if I save the seeds. Which I probably won't do this time, because I still got tons more on the plant. But so I'm gonna cut the salted piece in half. Give it to my wife. So like I say, sometimes you put a little salt on there, and it makes the world different. Actually, the salt didn't help. Kind of tamed it down.
I really can't tell the difference.
So I'm going to give one more try of the fully ripe ones, and I'll probably try one of the lesser ripe ones to see if maybe it's more tangy or something. This one seems a little bit firmer. We'll see. Yeah, it's again same thing. Just it's a decent tomato flavor. It's nothing to. I mean, it's better than this. Let me put it this way: it's better than what you get at the grocery store.
Right.
It's definitely got more flavor than that. It's just not like a. I've had other cherry tomato varieties that were way more intense.
Right. Yeah, that one's kind of green. A little green.
So you actually kind of like the green.
Huh.
A little bit better than the yellow.
Okay.
That's probably too green. I'll just let that ripen on the.
Right.
That's another thing too, is you can just let them sit on the plate in your kitchen, and they'll ripen up on their their own. You can try them, and you might like them. Let's see. There's a seed.
Where's your finger?
Right there. So suck that like that. Like I said, I probably won't save any seeds from this, because I've got plenty more.
Right.
Right, so I'm going to swap plates. And now we are going to try the reds. And this is the ripest. This is the ripest of the red. And see, now that's got a lot of
seeds, so yeah.
a ton of seeds in this one. Piece to my wife, piece to me. That's more of the
Cherry red
tomato. Summer,
Yeah.
like you go outside and grab one off the vine.
Right.
Which is good.
Yeah, it's good. It's not terrible.
But I mean, to me, the best part is they're super prolific. So it's not like I'm going to be in need for tomatoes until summer.
Tastes good in salad too.
Oh yeah. Now the salt did enhance that one.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, that's really good.
tastes like a tomato. I mean, I love it.
Right.
I love tomatoes.
I'll just try it with salt.
Yeah.
Salt shaker on it. Go ahead, grab you one. Yeah, see, they're all
I like
good.
it.
So I'll try this one. This is a little bit of a greener one. So it's going to be a little bit firmer. You want to try it with salt or just plain?
Let's try plain.
Okay. See, it's crisper.
To me, it doesn't have as much taste as
No, it's not as flavorful. I like the texture.
Yeah.
You know, it's not like a crisp tomato, but
Right.
the flavor.
Flavor isn't that great. Let's see. What are you doing now?
You want to try another one, or are we good?
I think we're good. I mean, have we tried them all the different stages?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
Let's see. We'll try a little one. Just because, like, sometimes the smaller ones have just a little bit stronger taste than the bigger ones.
Right.
Go ahead. It's good.
I think it does have a little bit of a stronger taste to it.
Yeah. Nice. All right, so there's our taste test of the tomatoes. They're, again, we're being very because we grow so many different types of cherry tomatoes, indoors, that we're very picky. But I definitely would grow these again, especially if I want a large amount of tomatoes, and I'll also be growing these outside this summer so that we can compare the taste. That's another thing we like to do. We like to compare the taste of the indoor versus outdoor grown, hydroponic versus soil tomatoes. So yeah, and I also think I might use the yellow one because it's so super prolific. I might use that for like my 5-gallon hydro bucket to see.
Oh yeah.
Or I might grow it in my my new cracky bed. I mean, not cracky, heater bed that we bought. So yeah, we'll see. Cool. All right, so that was a fun taste test of the tomatoes that I'm growing inside. Any comments, questions, leave in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.